Welcome to our updated guide on how to enable auto-downloading photos on WhatsApp. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with manually downloading images in your chats, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up automatic photo downloads, making your WhatsApp experience smoother and more convenient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your WhatsApp app. Take a moment to locate the familiar green icon on your smartphone's home screen or app drawer. Once you've found it, give it a tap to launch the application. Now that you're in WhatsApp, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. This is your menu button. Go ahead and tap on those dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for WhatsApp. Next, we're going to scroll down the settings menu. Keep an eye out for an option called Storage and Data. When you see it, tap on it to enter the storage and data settings. In this new menu, you'll find various options for managing your WhatsApp data usage. What we're looking for is the When Connected on Wi-Fi option. Give that a tap to open up the Wi-Fi download settings. You're almost there. In this final menu, you'll see a list of different media types. Look for the checkbox next to Photos. All you need to do now is tap that box to place a checkmark in it. Once you've done that, tap OK to confirm your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled auto-downloading for photos on WhatsApp when connected to Wi-Fi. From now on, when you're on a Wi-Fi network, photos sent to you will automatically download, saving you time and taps. Remember, this setting only applies when you're connected to Wi-Fi, helping you avoid unexpected data charges. If you want to change this later, you can always return to these settings and adjust them as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly streamlined WhatsApp experience.